Scan and QR code winner 25 rand. Upon entering the stadium, you have the right to verify whether the security service provider deployed is registered with CIRA. Visit www.cira.co.za to confirm their registration and training status for event security. Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs! Welcome to Amavenzo TV. It's the Carling Black Label Cup. Orlando Pirates 1, Marumo Kala 0. I'm joined by China.
Steve Ojayam. Sisepolokwane mfethu kuyashisa lana.
Yes.
Sisuke eGoli.
Yeah.
Seze Polokwane.
Yes.
For the love of football.
Yes.
Lentwana kumele ibone iPirates ilifty cup.
Yes.
Indeed iPirates yenzile lonto le.
Yes.
But let me get to the games, Chip.
Bange.
Ngicela ukukhuluma iqiniso, Chip.
Ivari Pay.
We understand that now referees they want to go to CAF.
Yes.
They want to go to World Cup.
Yes.
Atima Kalima ugel.
Yeah.
Bad refereeing.
Yeah.
Even if first 45 wangizothi bad refereeing Steve ngicela ukusupport.
Yes, Bange.
Uyikhostile iPirates.
Va.
Uyikhostile negame as a whole.
Yeah.
Into ayenzile uref ku first 45 minutes.
Sure.
Mayiphele half time.
Yeah.
Uyayikhalisa impembe kune corner kick. You don't end the game whereas there's an attack.
Ngiyathola.
Unezinto azenzile ureferee unikeze yellow card.
Yeah.
Ulibizo whereas a foul was conducted by UCM.
Oh.
There are so many things that were bad.
Mistakes.
When it comes to Kuma play on, didn't allow Pirates to play Kuma play on.
Yes.
Ufuni ball yoqala phansi. Whereas we understand that Pirates is good when it comes to counter attacks.
Yeah.
Okay, ngiphumile ku ref.
Sure.
Uref did bad.
Yes.
But ke sizothini?
Yeah.
We hoping ukuthi isafa yayirecord izoyibona into ezinjalo
Yeah.
and then siphume. Singene ku Pirates.
Sure.
Pirates was supposed to win this team.
Yes.
I mean this game
Yes.
in the first 10 minutes of the second half.
Yeah.
Why ngisisho kanjalo?
Sure.
The game was very simple for Orlando Pirates.
Yeah.
Okokuqala, why do you change it whereas it's not giving you broken?
Yeah.
A team that won against Chippa United,
Yeah.
a team that won against Richards Bay in Durban.
Yes.
Then there's a team that now ebidlala namhlanje uyabuya manje uqalisa uMakhawula sange simbone dlala la 8 la egamini.
Yes.
Why usenza kanjalo?
Yeah.
Okay fine, so wenzile amaphutha wakho. Umbonile uApolice ukuthi ukhathele.
Yeah.
And then why ungazokhipha uApolice umbeke ngaphandle ubuye udlalisa uMoremi adlale noRile and then ubuye ufaka uMbule adlale u10.
Yeah.
Umbule can play 10.
Yes.
Masikhulume enye into uNemthajela is overrated Orlando Pirates.
Yeah.
That guy doesn't do anything for Orlando Pirates.
Yeah.
Sipho ngiyilandele Orlando Pirates everywhere idlala khona
Yeah.
because of ngisupporta leli bhakani.
Yeah.
However, kunezinto kumele sizikhulume nazo.
Sure.
Umjithu ukuthi sibuya naye eKasi ngwaseshawelo ini
Yeah.
doesn't mean ukuthi uyadeliver na.
Sure.
Sicela uNemthajela aye kuba ifavorite ka coach.
Yes.
If ever yazibona ifavorite ka coach,
Yeah.
then makabone ukuthi uthini.
Yeah.
Mfethu iPirates le game kumele iwinile.
Yes.
Imarumo into ayenzile. Okugcina Sipho sengivala nje
Yeah,
lapha.
yeah, yeah.
Imarumo didn't have a striker. That's one thing I'm saying that Pirates are supposed to win this game in the first 10 minutes. Undlondo was playing as a false 9.
Yeah.
Undlondo mfushane. He can't even head kuma set pieces and stuff.
Yes.
Imarumo was just playing with 4 defenders with 6 midfielders.
Yeah.
And then pressing Undlondo when it comes to 9.
Yeah.
That's why we're supposed to be good. Now senza kanjani because of Imarumo he flooded the midfield.
Yeah.
That's some of the things ekumele sesazibona.
Yes.
Okugcina congratulations to Mabhakane.
Thank you, Rodman.
Congratulations to Mabhakane.
Quality. Rodman. Did you know you can also verify the registration status of security officers by scanning the QR code on their CIRA identification card?